Introducing a revolutionary new product, glow-in-the-dark soap. You'll be amazed at its cleaning power and its glowing power. While your friends shower in the dark, there's no limit to what you can do with this amazing glow-in-the-dark soap. Today we're going to be making glow-in-the-dark soap. This recipe yields about 11 bars and is sized to fit the 42-ounce soap molds commonly available online. Here's the recipe for all you folks at home. The first thing you'll need is some glow-in-the-dark powder. I'll leave a link in the description where I got mine from. This powder has an amazing amount of glow to it, but shines brightest when charged with the UV light. I'm going to go kind of fast in this video, so if you're new to soap making, check out my beginner video here where I go into more detail on the soap making process. Without any further delay, let's get started. We start as always by getting our lye and water weighed and measured into 2 separate containers. Then I take them outside and add the lye to the water, giving it a quick mix before leaving it to rest and cool. While we wait for the lye water to cool slightly, I'll get to work measuring the oils for this recipe. I chose coconut oil, rice bran oil, and lard because they will give us a nice balanced soap, but also with no natural color, so it'll glow as brightly as possible when we add the glow powder. Who knew rice bran oil was UV reactive? Looking pretty great already. Once the oils are measured and in the mixing bowl, we gotta make sure they're melted. A quick 2 minutes in the microwave followed by using a stick blender to break up the stubborn clumps works for me. Once everything is combined and melted into a liquid, you can bring the water and lye mixture in from outside. The process goes kind of fast from now on, so make sure you have all your equipment ready, including your soap mold, fragrance oil, and glow powder. When ready, combine the lye water with the oils and mix with an immersion blender. Keep mixing until the soap starts to thicken slightly. Soap makers call it trace. It took about 3 minutes of mixing for me this time. Once we hit trace, add the fragrance and glow powder. I ended up combining 2 packets of glow powder because I wanted my soap to glow as brightly as possible. Make sure everything is fully combined and then pour your soap mixture into a mold. As you can see, it's already glowing even in the mold. It was a great sign for how it would turn out later. Once the soap is in the mold, put some plastic wrap on top and leave the soap to harden for 24 hours. The next day, go ahead and pull the soap out of the mold. Cut it into bars and leave it on a closet shelf to cure for 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, you'll have beautiful glow-in-the-dark soap to share with your friends and family. That's all today, everybody. If you made it this far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.